Hello. Today I select my topic which relates my speaking and how to develop our confidence, how to develop our speaking and how to develop and how to be clear about speaking and how to be clear about conversation. We all going to talk about this that topic. And today when I get start and when I think that what should I talk today, then my mind gonna ramped and gonna run away. What should I talk? What should I talk? Then exact my mind give me a topic and then I start on the topic. And such things is that when I start before some time I don't know what should I talk and what will I talk today. And by the way, when I start this topic and when I start to make up videos, then suddenly my mind get refreshed and get ready to talk about something else. I don't know what should I talk. Then when I start and when I start, then it's automatically generate by my mind all about this. And something is good for me, something is bad for me, all over. I do mistakes all over, but I learn with these mistakes. I know speaking in clear terms is a very good skill. It will demand a high education, not a high education, sorry for that. It will demand a high experience and knowledge. If you have a knowledge and experience, you can build a confidence easily and you can be able to talk about any conversation. When you think that no, I can't do this, then your mind became to work on it. You can't do it, and actually this is exactly happen when you think that you can't do it. So just think in your mind that no, I can do, and I can be a clear in conversation, in any conversation. I can be a clear, I can be a good in any conversation. That's why I'm here to talk to you. And this is my happiness when I talk to someone, not a someone, when I talk to myself. Then I realize that I love this. I love talking myself, by the way. And this is good progress for me. Before some time, I was not able to talk at least to one sentence in English. But now I'm able to talk something good. Actually, you have to review for this. And I realize that no, if you practice, you can develop your confidence, develop your fluency. And first of all, I have a very big myth. I used to think that if that person have a faster speaker, it means that they have a clear and they have a good English conversation. But I was wrong. I realized that no, if you speak faster, then your all conversation are not connected and anybody can't understand what you want to say. So that you should think about, and let's start with what you talk. This is exact meaning. And I realize that if you want to understand to someone in clearance, then you have to understand in your mind with clarity. And first of all, you need to understand what should you talk with clear, with specific topic. You should select your specific topic, then anybody can understand you. And be clear in your talking. First of all, be clear in your talking. That is the most important part in your life, in your talking, sorry for that, in your talking. And before some time I was thinking that I should talk fast. No, I was wrong. I should talk, but in clear, in fluent, in specific. And I should learn from these mistakes. I do lots of mistakes. I realize that I do lots of mistakes, but I know I do mistake, I learn mistake. I learn with these mistakes. I realize that I have some topic, I should select some topic and I should talk on this topic. One day I will become a good speaker at least. Yeah, I can try myself, I can immerse myself in that English language, and I can develop my skill every day. This is me. Why not? I can't. Why not? I can do. Was it good for me? Was it bad for me? It's never matter. Is it good for me? Is it bad for me? It this matter, and I think I realized that this is good for me. Why not? I can speak in English. This is me, and be clearance, be clarify about yourself, what you think and what are you able to think, and what about to you, what is about to you, what is about to matter, what you about to speak. This is the main topic, and you should be specific, you should learn with these topics all about this. And first of all, you need to acquire some knowledge, some specific knowledge which you are able to understand others, not yourself, yourself first, but you should able to understand others, then your speaking is good for other, good for others. This is the main sentence. You should learn with this main sentence. I know that only speaking with yourself is not enough. I know this is practically, but wait until I start with someone, until I start with someone, I know that I find someone who can talk to me with fluency. This is good for me, and it's not bad for me. I think I realize that when I talk in English, it's give me a good pleasure, good admiral. I think it's good for me. This is the I should talk with confidence. I have some confidence when but when someone look at me, then my all confidence become low. That's not happening with me. Sorry for that. It should not happening with you. You should, you should prepare yourself that no, I can enjoy my learning, I can enjoy my speaking all about this. And first of all, be happy and be satisfied with your learning, with your work, all about this. Because if you are not happy, your all learning process become a flaw, flood, and became a so gas, so dusty. So keep in your mind that no, I am trying my best. Maybe it's some little bit effort, but it's okay. You try, and you try your best, and at least it is your best. So give your best on the best. This is the most important thing in your life, and actually I enjoy it daily. I do daily, I learn daily, I read daily all about this. I need some coach. That is the reason I am waiting for this. Yeah, I need some coach. I should join some community. I think I should join some community and try to talk with them. It's not anyone fault. I'm I want to make it. I want to develop my skill. This is what I actually want to do. No matter it's take a time, I have a time. I can give my whole time to learn this specific field, to learn to be master in that specific field. That is what I really want. This is good for me, and this is very pleasurable for me. Thank you. I hope you like it. I hope you don't like it, but I do it daily.